welcome to the video. I'm gonna make brownies. I'm gonna make Ooey Gooey chocolate brownies. Today I'm gonna make brownies. Flame it.
I think that's pretty good.
Because it so doesn't fit coconut.
That's perfect.
I get raised like this.
Ooh.
So kids, you always gotta fry coconut oil on a pan if you're making brownies so it doesn't stick. First we need oil,
Oh.
brownie mix, oil, eggs, water, oil.
Oh, 1 egg. Do you have an egg? 1 egg. 2/3 cup of oil.
Yes.
And water. 1/2 cup of warm water.
This is easy to make. Preheat the oven.
Hi, William.
1 cup. Okay, kids, preheat the oven for 325.
325. Okay, let's go do it.
Okay, kids, I'm gonna add the. Okay, kids, I'm gonna add the water.
Sister, here's the crawfish.
And then now the oil. Okay, now let's mix it. You get it?
Crawfish fell off her fingers.
Now you add the brownie mix.
Okay, kids, we're gonna add the Ooey Gooey Brownie mix or the scissor. Kids, I pour the brownie. Hey, wait! I wanna make it.
Oh, wait for your sidekick.
Flour. That's not flour. This is a brownie. Ooey
We're making a brownie cake.
Brownie. No, brownie. Hold on. They're brownie.
Why'd you say that?
Yeah,
Why are
they're
you using that in a
brownie.
big mixing bowl?
They're not called a brownie cake. Okay, kids. It's gonna be I think you filled some.
Right.
Alright, August. William August.
Okay, that's enough, William. Now you pour the mix in the pan. Okay, William.
I'll take it.
Okay. So now we pour it in the pan.
Okay, kids, time to cook it.
Time to cook it.
Look, James, I can get some more.
No.
All right. Now you cook for 45 minutes, kids.
Hi, kids. I'm gonna grab the brownies. Before I do it, I'm gonna clap my hands. Mama, listen.
Oh no, no.
The nail step back, kids.
Hopefully there's not hair on there.
Now we cut them, kids. Now for my favorite part, eat. Eat, 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 eat. Ooey.
Is it hot?
Is it really good?
Oh no!
Maybe I need to glass of milk.
Be careful.
What? One full gallon of milk.
Oh no!
Can you move the crawfish bag?
Huh?
You feel the left side.
Thanks for watching. I'm gonna eat brownies. See you next time to cook zucchini red. Bye. Earth spinning, natter, natter, natter. I eat, E-P-I.